Before we can begin our work with the documents we've imported, we need to do some index configuration. A DT search index has already been created in our template, but we'll need to modify a field so as to receive an alert when the index finishes building. I'll click Edit next to the Terms index. Then, I'll enter my email into the email notification recipient's text box. I'll click Save, and then run a full build, which will add the documents we just imported into the index so I can search against them. While that's running, we'll need to create an analytics index so we can search by concepts and clusters. I'll navigate to the Analytics Indexes tab and create a new analytics index. I'll name this Concept Search and select Analytics Searchable Set so that it includes all documents in this case. Same as our DT search index, we'll want to put an email into the email notification recipients field. That way I'll be alerted when this index is done building. This is a brand new index, so I'll do a full build of the index to create it. While the analytics index is building, we'll run a structured analytics set so that emails are threaded, languages are identified, and near duplicate documents are found. Once again, I'll edit the template structured analytics set and put my email address in so that we know when the update is done. I'll save the settings, then click Run Structured Analytics. At this point, I've received an email notifying me that the Terms search index is updated. If we already know a set of key terms we want to search against, we can drop them all into a search terms report. We'll name this report Key Terms and select our terms index that's just been updated. I'll select the DT Search searchable set to search against all documents. For type, I'll select Report and Tag. I'll leave the rest of the options alone and click Save. Next, we'll need to add terms to our report. I'll click Modify Terms, and using a provided list of terms, I'll copy and paste the key terms into the text box here. I'll click Add Terms, and done. Finally, we need to run the report by clicking Run All Terms. We just received the email that the Concept Search Index completed building. In order to easily visualize all the document concepts, we need to cluster the documents. To do that, let's go to the Documents tab and select a search that returns all documents. In this case, the Confirm Dataset search. At the bottom left of the document list, I'll click the Checked dropdown and change it to All, since I want to cluster all of these documents. Next, I need to change the mass operation from Edit to Cluster. I'll name this cluster All Documents and run it. Once the cluster set, structured analytics set, and search terms report are all complete, we need to update our visualization widgets on the Documents tab. In our example, I'll select the Tag for Promotion search. In the Key Terms widget, I'll click the menu and then Edit Pivot. I need to change the group by parameters to reflect the newly built str key terms. I'll save these settings and also save the Tag for Promotion dashboard with these updates. We're now ready to begin searching against our documents for document review, investigations, early case assessments, and more.